Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I took a little hiatus. I briefly talked about it. I have just been feeling really overwhelmed. Some of you that watch a lot of my videos know that I actually work full time, and making YouTube videos, especially ones that I feel like are good enough to post, is very time consuming, and I do love doing it, but it often does feel like I'm going to work and working all day long and then coming home and working some more. Even though I love this work more, it still feels like work, and I feel like I don't have time to just chill. And yeah, I was just getting really overwhelmed, so I needed to take a little break. And now I actually was able to change my schedule at work. So I still work full time, but I work a little bit longer days so that I have a whole day off that I will dedicate to working on YouTube and crafting and things for my Etsy shop and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to have this day to work on things so that I can put out videos and do spreads that I love to do. That being said, because of my long, I mean, I guess it wasn't that long, but it felt really long, hiatus, I have a lot of content to catch up on. And part of me was kind of like, oh, I'm not going to catch up. I'm just going to start with the most recent thing. But even though making these videos is like, I'm posting them for everybody, it's also for me, and my journal is definitely for me. So I didn't want to skip out on doing certain spreads. I guess I could have made the spreads and not filmed the videos, but I don't know. I want to share it with you guys. So we're catching up. We're going back in time, and we're going all the way back to when BTS was on Jimmy Fallon most recently, which was a while ago. But you know what? It's fine. We have a lot to catch up on. We're going to get it done. I have a new video schedule. I'm going to start putting videos out every Monday and every Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So turn on those little notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. So yeah, I've been excited to catch up and do these spreads because I have talked about it before. I just really love when BTS is on American media. Not for any weird reason or what you might be thinking. It's just because I live in America. So it's really cool to watch them on television and see them interact with like celebrities and talk show hosts that I have watched for a really long time. And I particularly love watching them on Jimmy Fallon because you can just tell that he really respects them and genuinely cares for them. And you can tell that they know that and that they feel really comfortable. And I just love seeing them be treated this way in the West. It's great. You know what I mean. So this spread it's fairly simple. I kind of was just winging it. I got all the pictures together first. I sort of planned them out and then printed them off and then just kind of went with the color scheme that I thought would match the pictures the best once I got them on the page, which was kind of like just like a brown, like very neutral color scheme. And yeah, like I said, for the most part, this spread, I was just kind of winging it. I was kind of getting back in the swing of doing spreads because on this hiatus, I literally have not done any spreads, like at all. And like I said, it's not because I don't enjoy it. It's just like I feel like I needed some time to just like lay in my bed. I was so overwhelmed at work. When I got home, I just needed to sit in bed. Like I couldn't do anything. Not that I couldn't, but and I've taken some time to indulge in some other hobbies of mine and things like that. So I really missed it though. Like after doing this spread, I was like, okay, I want to do 5 more spreads right now because I'm like on a roll. So yeah, I really missed it a lot. I feel like I'm rambling, but yeah. So I really wanted to include that little Jimmy versus Jungkook thing because I just thought it was really cute, but it just wasn't working with the spread, so I ended up taking it off. I kind of had intentions to add it back later and maybe like put it behind their heads, which is something I originally thought that I might do, but it didn't really go with the color scheme, and I just felt like I liked how it looked. I just thought that it was funny with them with the sunglasses on and that part. So yeah, I just took it out. I feel like sometimes, as much as I plan spreads, they never really turn out how I plan for them to. And part of the problem here was that I made my lettering too big, which, again, if you've been watching my YouTube channel for any amount of time, you know that that is a pretty common problem for me. Even if I like put in a little, like a box on the paper and say, it has to be within this box, it still isn't. And I just kind of have to go with it. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me. Also, that little like America neon sign thing, it was just in the cat's like diner restaurant like shot, and I just thought it was cool. So I printed one off to cut it out as like a little, I don't know, addition there. I just thought it was cute. Also, I didn't end up having room for this picture of Jen like screaming, but I just think it's so funny, so I ended up putting it in there anyway. So, anyway, now I'm just writing some of my favorite things about this episode and how excited I was for them to be on Jimmy Fallon again. And just some funny things that happened, like Jen or Hobie accidentally slapping Jen, and like, just little things that I thought were cute or funny. And just the fact that Jimmy seemed like so genuinely impressed with their performance. Like, he was so amazed, and I don't know. I love that. I just love that when other people appreciate how amazing they are besides just us, because I feel like everyone can enjoy BTS. I wish more people would. But I say that like they don't have millions of fans, but you know what I mean. Anyway, here's a look at the final spread. I'm actually really happy with it, how it came out. I was kind of afraid that I would have a hard time like getting back into the swing of things, but I feel like this was a pretty simple spread to put together that really made me excited to get back into making spreads and making videos. So if you like this spread and you enjoyed the video and you appreciate that I wasn't gone forever, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being patient, and I will see you in my next video.